Hi, Sai here from Music Radar. We are at the NAMM Show 2018. We're currently on the Pittsburgh Modular synthesizer booth. This is Perry.
Hello.
This is the Pittsburgh Modular Microvolt 3900. Perry, why is it called the Microvolt 3900?
Because we thought it sounded cool. No, actually,
it does though.
There are 39 patch points on this. That is the reason.
Obvious.
You have full access to the ins and outs of every section here. It is semi-modular. So you get to play it, just plug it in a MIDI controller, and it's good to go.
You're away. So let's talk about architecture.
Sure enough.
It's not your average, synth layout.
Absolutely.
Let's start here.
Yeah.
What's going on with the oscillators?
We have our analog oscillator. This is the signature sound you've heard in a lot of our other gear. But we decided on this one we wanted to make it a bit more experimental, a bit richer. So we added a wave folder.
Lovely.
You just bring out some really rich harmonics with it. You can blend it with a few other waveforms, pulse, saw. We have a sine wave, which has a harmonic sine setting. Basically adds a few more harmonics to your sine. You still have a rich fundamental, but then some harmonics on top of it. You can get your blend going, add noise. External input with a lot of gain if you want to bring something in, add distortion, or bring up a really low-level signal. That goes through our binary filter. This is our signature filter that we've had in our line for a while now. It has a very kind of creamy, smooth sound to it. Just a touch of resonance. But with the secondary mode, you can get it really gnarly. That'll give you some self-resonance there. The VCA section is sort of the keystone of this synth. We decided to go with a low-pass gate as opposed to a standard VCA. So in VCA mode, it's a VCA, it's tied to this ADSR here. If you go into the low-pass gate mode, you start getting that plucked, nice sort of low-pass pluck sound. Almost gives you 2 filters in one. Finally, we put an overdrive at the very end. So if you want to get a little grit, a little grind on it, nice, gritty stuff. In order to make it a little more experimental, we added some more modulation as well.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah, there's an ADSR, we have a function generator, which has a cycling mode. So that basically doubles as an LFO. We have another LFO with a huge range. I believe it's 5 minutes all the way up to 3 kilohertz.
Wow.
Yeah, it's huge. Sample and hold, and then everything's controlled by this MIDI section. You go up and down. Up and down. You have a built-in arpeggiator. Really full-featured, all-in-one semi-modular, steel case, wood front. We wanted to do everything.
Very sleek. Patch points, control for every parameter.
Yep, you can get all of your waveforms out directly if you wish. You have inputs for all of the modulation options. Every section filter VCA is broken out, both audio and CV. We have a CV mixer here, so you can combine CV signals and create something really complex. You can invert one of them if you wish, so you can get some interesting things. Line out, headphone out, and you can clock it internally, MIDI, or externally. So we tried to throw as many options as we could out there.
All the bits and bobs.
Yeah, exactly.
Let's talk price.
Absolutely.
Dollars, euros, pounds, doesn't matter.
I can't do all the conversions in my head, but I'll give you the US. This is going to retail for $629 US.
Okay.
We're going to go in production as soon as we get back. Should be ready about March, April.
March, April.
Yeah.
We can't wait.
Yeah.
Well, hopefully we'll get one of these in for review.
Absolutely.
Fingers crossed.
Great.
Be sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share if you're seeing this video right now. Check out musicradar.com for latest NAMM news, reviews, and tutorials. And for now, I'm just going to have a little play with this, so I'll see you in a minute. Cheers, bye.